1688 app is still not showing in English. Come closer. In this video, I'll be sharing with you, showing you step by step process how you can update, change it to English. So do not go anywhere. Stay to the end of this video. If this is your first time of seeing coming across my channel, this is Gideon Teresa, aka Texas Import. And if you're a returning viewer, I love you so much. Okay, so um let's dive in into the video. Okay, so this is my 1688 now. Remember, we want to see how to change it to English for those of you that still have you have updated your phone, your 1688, but yet it's still showing Chinese. Okay, it's still not showing you in English. Okay, so this in this video I'll walk you through. This is the interface of my 1688. Can you see? Is in English. Can you see English? So let's make your own to look like this. So even if you have updated your 1688 app and it's still showing like this, so what you need to do is to look down. You will see something like, let me just screenshot and show you. See something like this. You see this place, this thing that look like head, this me. You know, since your own is in Chinese, you might not see it as me, but just look at this symbol that look like head. This me, click it. Okay, so once you click it, then you click on settings. This is settings up here. Okay, this is settings. This one I'm circling here, you see open shop. In front of open shop, this one up here is settings. Okay, click on it. Once you click on it like this, you see everything here is in English. Where we are going to now is this, where you see global. You see something like global in my own, right? Where you see global. Okay, so this is global. You see after privacy, you see country/region, you see global in front, then you see language, you see English in front, right? Okay, so this is what we want to do. Once you click on that me, you click on the settings icon, you get to this part and you click on this. If you cannot see, just translate. Use your Google Translate to translate to see what you have here before you can be able to change it to English. Okay, and if it's not easy for you, see this symbol here. If you see this small symbol that look like location symbol, just click it. Okay, click it. My own is already in English, right? You see, if I put it now in this Chinese mainland Chinese, if I put it here now, everything will change to Chinese. But you see that it's already in global. All right, that's why it is in English. But if I change it back to Chinese, mainland China, you will see that everything will change to Chinese. But for you, once you see your own like this, you will see it in mainland China. Just tap on this global. Tap on the global. Once you tap on the global, then you go back. See my own now. You see that I see continue. See, sorry, I click on cancel before. So can you see that everything has changed to Chinese? Can you see everything that was showing in English before is now in Chinese? But I already know how everything works. So what I'll just click from here is this this symbol here. This is where I need this symbol. This one here is what I need. This is your country/region. This is your language. Okay, so I'll delete it back to go and change it back. Okay, so I put it back. I just tap on global, right? Then I tap on, I just change it to global. I've not changed the language yet. So you see this language, the under the global, the one that look like, let me do it for you so you can see. So this one here, okay, the next one we are going to click is this one here to change it to English, right? Okay, so I tap on this and you see English, all the other countries there. You just tap on English. You see that everything has changed back to English, right? Everything is now in English now. So if you do this, you see your 1688 app showing in English. Now if you want to update your own and you have not been able to, you don't even know how to update it, you see, once you go to this same part that we have country slash region, that's your settings. We have country slash region, we have language, reference, currency. Just come down, you see version. Just scroll down a bit and then you see version, right? This is version. I've updated my own now. It's not outdated yet, it's updated. So if you click on this version now, it will take you to show you the next version that is available. Then you click it. Once you click it, just swap your phone down. That's the screen of your phone where you get your notification. You see that it's already downloading and it's installed by itself. Okay, so you are just good. You are good to go. Just follow this step and you'll be able to update your phone, change your country, region, and change your language to English. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please just do well to subscribe, like, share and comment so more people can see this video. Okay, thank you so much. I have more videos to do for you, more educative video to come. Okay, thank you so much. Everything is in English. And if you want me to train you, want me to procure for you, you want to consult, want me to mentor you, send me a DM as well. All right, my number will be in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.